Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is Ned.
Chichai.
We are My Philippine Dreams, and we're sort of on our honeymoon. It's a working honeymoon because we got to get some paperwork up in Bacolod because somebody made a mistake on the marriage certificate with date of birth. Over here, you can see a waterfall way in the distance. Now, we were going to walk and go see it, but...
It takes 30 minutes.
Yeah, they said it took about 20 minutes to get there, but that thing's pretty far away. So it's already about 1 p.m. in the afternoon. So we're gonna skip that. We're just gonna appreciate the natural beauty from here. It is a really nice waterfall. I don't know if I can zoom in with the video, probably not. But we are up in the mountains. I don't know what the elevation is, but it's basically all deciduous trees up here. This is like a temperate climate. The temperature is about 79, 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, I'm American. I don't know the Celsius version of that. But it's really nice. It's quiet except for somebody's phone who's playing phone games. One of the guys that works here is playing phone games. So there's some noise in the background. But this is a nice area. Yeah, we're at altitude and it is totally different. It's night and day from Dumaguete. Now, if Dumaguete was here, this would be awesome because it's basically the temperature and the, you know, the clean air and everything. It's like being back in the United States. Also, I'm sure land up here is very inexpensive. The only problem is there's nothing to do. So I'd go crazy very quickly. But you can get land up here dirt cheap. There's also a lot of MPA. Haven't seen any yet. Hopefully we won't see any.
Can you pronounce the name of the place?
Malatan Og. Malatan Og.
This is just as a falls, Malatan Og Falls, but the name of the location that where we are.
Malatan Og Falls. Don Bernardo.
Don Salvador.
Don Salvador.
Benedicto.
Benedicto. That's where we are. The journey is the reward. At some point we will get to Bacolod, the city of smiles. And boy, there's people mountain biking. Man, these are some steep hills. So we're gonna go, what, get a cup of coffee? You have a place that you like to get coffee here?
Yeah, in Duyan Cafe.
Duyan
Or the Roosters
Cafe. Or the Rooster Cafe, which is famous because of its...
Roosters.
Lots of roosters, yeah. Looking forward to that. So we're gonna get back in the car. So far the honeymoon has been pretty much a nothing burger because we missed Balete Tree, we missed the Chocolate Hills, and now this waterfall's too far away. But as they say in life, it's not your destination sometimes. The journey is the reward. So we'll keep that in mind. And it's just so nice and cool up here. Oh my God. So nice.
Welcome to Negros Occidental.
Yeah, welcome to Negros Occidental. We'll talk further about that later because I'm liking it so far. Alright, so right now we're at this place called Jomax Peak, and for 150 pesos per person you can come in, you get a little cottage, you have unlimited lemonade, fresh coffee, and a Triumph. I guess you get a Triumph TR7, I think that is. I'm not sure. And there's something over there, I'm not sure. Okay, there's that waterfall way over there, the Malatan Og. And as we pan down the valley, you can see some rice terraces way down there. I think it's windy, I don't know if it's picking up here. And up over there is Mount Canlaon. Mount Canlaon. Although the peak is shrouded in clouds. It's a little cloudy day. And our destination is over there, Bacolod. And what's that island over? Wait, oh, that's Panay. That's Panay over there. Ilo and Panay.
You can also go inside. You can go there.
You trying to get rid of me?
No, we can.
Oh, we can together. Okay.
No, I didn't.
Jeez, we've only been married a week and she's already trying to make me go somewhere else.
We'll go together.
Let's go check it out. And again, we got this nice Triumph here. Oh, and earlier today in Bacolod, we saw a 2010 Lamborghini Gallardo or something it's called. It was a Chinese guy who had it. And there was also somebody with an Aston Martin. All right, so this could use a little work. Plus it's a manual. but pretty sweet. Nice paint job. Whoever did the paint job. Hello. Oh, and you get water, and the breeze is absolutely gorgeous. And I guess you can get massages here. Whole body for $5 US. Head and back for $4. Rates are good for 30 minutes only. And this is a metal platform which is shaking just a little bit. But there's that waterfall way over there. Jeez, that was my that was my. Am I impressed?
With Negros Occidental.
So far, yes, I am impressed. The roads are very wide. The roads are very good so far that we've seen. I've heard great things about your legendary chicken. We're going to be checking that out in Bacolod. The people seem very nice. The temperatures are absolutely amazing. The humidity levels are low. I don't know if it's just because we're lucking out. You know, I think it's March 2nd. I think today, yeah, it's March 2nd. So maybe we were just lucking out. But so far, I'm impressed. Yeah, and those Alonga girls, there's some pretty girls around there. Yes, just saying. Yeah, must be something in the water up here. Well, there's nothing else to do. So maybe that's why I see so many people with children and babies. So how's the coffee?
Tastes like coffee.
Tastes like coffee? Real original. All right, so this is a shout out to Wayne. Wayne, we found Shirley's sunglasses. So I'll be messaging you and we'll try to return those to you. I don't even think he's here anymore.
Yeah.
So he's gonna be like, oh, they got my sunglasses. Oh. Another thing Jomax has is rabbit jail. Thank you for not feeding, touching, and cuddling me and my fellow rabbits. Signed, Thumper, CEO, Rabbit Corps, Jomax Peak Branch. If I could break you guys out, I would. Freedom for the bunnies!
Maldito.
Turtles! Yeah, he looks maldito. I want to mess with him. These look like like the turtles we have up in New England. I forgot what they're called. Painted turtles or something?
Ninja turtle.
Ninja turtles? Really? And this is very cool. It says, God bless our home. This looks like it's actually all fake and like something from a movie set, but it's all real. It's naturally grown. And it's a house up here in Jomax. I wouldn't mind living here. Nice and cool year round. Oh yeah. You just gotta be careful if you go back to pee because there's cliffs. Gotta be careful. Oh wow, look at this. All right, yeah, I'm liking this. I'm such a jackass. I'm such an American jackass. 150 pesos each? No way. Look at this. This is so cute. And I guess is somebody coming over to take pictures?
No.
You don't know? Just yell for somebody. Wala ka kabalo?
Wala.
You don't know. And there's some more rice terraces down there in case you need some rice. Oh, and it's an A-frame. Oh man, get out. It's a glass enclosed A-frame. That is so cool. And it's got bottles, I guess, down below. I don't know if well, with the breeze and everything, I don't see the mosquitoes being a problem. Wow, look at that, huh? And it's Nipa. And it's very well slanted, it's angled, so it sheds all the water. Wow. She's doing selfies. I guess we gotta take some selfies. It's time. And finally here at Jomax. Wow, look at those. I've never seen those before. You got a pool if you want to cool off. You get a few leaves in there, but that's okay. And what are these flowers called?
Stinky flowers.
Stinky flowers.
They don't like the smell of it.
No.
So it's stinky.
Yeah, look at these. Alright. Let's get out of here. Next stop, Bacolod. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.